Hi class, my name is Teacher Sheng, your science teacher for today, na nagsasabing, sa agham at teknolohiya, ang buhay ay gaganda, kaya san ka pa? Halika na at sabay nating tahakin ang mundo ng siyensya. Today we are going to learn more about mixtures and its types. You know what? This topic is very interesting because these mixtures are the things that we deal with every day and that we use every day. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Now, first, I want you to take a look at these pictures. As you can see, we have here halo-halo, ice cream, soft drinks, flavored juice, and water. Now, of these pictures, which one is your favorite? Well, for me, between halo-halo and ice cream, I prefer halo-halo. And as for the drinks, I prefer water, of course, because it is good for the body. How about you? Now, don't you know that all these pictures, class, are called mixtures? Everybody say mixtures. That's good. Now, by just looking at these pictures, I want you to define what is a mixture. Alright. Now, mixture, class, is a combination or a substance made by just combining two or more, pwedeng mas madami pa, different materials in such a way that no chemical reaction occurs. As I have said a while ago, we are surrounded with mixtures. I will give you few examples. Sand and gravel, the pinakbet that we eat, the halo-halo, sinigang na bangus, perfume, toothpaste, and many more. Okay? Now, today we are going to learn about or to discover about the two types of mixtures. Now, the two types of mixtures are the homogeneous mixture and the second one is the heterogeneous mixture. Everybody say homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Alright, now, at this juncture, let us try to find or to see the difference between the two. Ano ba ang kaibahan, ma'am, ng homogeneous from heterogeneous? Alright, I will give you the first clue. From the word homo, meaning isa lang. From the word hetero, meaning madami. So when we say homogeneous mixture, we describe the mixture as a mixture with one phase only. Yung appearance niya, yung itsura niya, parang iisa lang. But when you say heterogeneous mixture, madami. Okay? I will explain to you each. Now, a homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture in which the composition is uniform and only one phase can be seen. Kaya nga homo. I will give you an example. Take a look at this orange juice. Orange juice is a combination of water plus orange juice powder. Ang product niya, orange juice. Gistir mo talaga. So, ngayon, look at the mixture. Can you still see the water only? Or the orange juice powder only? Not anymore, right? So, the mixture now is of one phase. Isa lang yung nakikita mo sa appearance niya. Therefore, orange juice in this example is a homogeneous mixture. Alright? Let us go to the second type. The second type is the heterogeneous mixture. Kabaliktaran naman. This type of mixture is a mixture wherein the components can be seen as there are two or more phases present. I will give you a good example for this. Alright. Who wants pinakbet? This is my favorite. Pinakbet is a mixture composed of squash, kalabasa, eggplant, okra, tomatoes, bagoong, ampalaya, lahat na, ang sarap. So, ang product niya, pinakbet. Look at the mixture, please. Nakikita mo ba ang squash? Nakikita mo ba ang iba pang components? Yes or no? Yes! Ibig sabihin, this is a mixture with different components that you can still see. Therefore, this is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. Now, let us identify the following mixtures as homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Tingnan ko kung nakikita nyo na yung difference ng dalawa, okay? Now, how about this? What is this? Okay, that is chop suey. How many faces can you see? Nakikita mo bang mga components? Yes, therefore, homogeneous or heterogeneous? Very good. Chop suey is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. Let us go to the second example. What is this? Patis. How many faces? According to the appearance tayo ha, can you see? Isa lang po. Therefore, that is an example of exactly a homogeneous mixture. Punta tayo sa third example. Isa pang paborito ko. What is this? Buko salad. Buko salad, tingnan nyo yung itsura niya. One face or many? Many. Therefore, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Very good. Now, can you now see the difference between homogeneous mixture from a heterogeneous mixture? Okay, in the next video that I will be making, I will give more examples, okay? And then you are going to identify homo or hetero. Alright? If you have questions, you may send me a private message or write your questions in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. Muli, ako po si Teacher Sheng na nagsasabing, sa agham at teknolohiya, ang buhay ay gaganda. Kaya saan ka pa? Halika na at sabay nating tahakin ang mundo ng siyensya. Bye!